Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. Luigi Versosa here for another tech review. And today we're gonna be doing a review for the Vigium VL3 vlogging light, which is this one. Medyo matagal na sa akin tong vlogging light na to. And this is the only time I'm actually doing a review for it. So hindi ko na makukuha yung unboxing niya kasi natapon ko na yung box. And this is around like 2 years ago na. So nabili ko to sa One Gadget for around 1,100 pesos. Actually, ito na yung pinakamura na nakita ko. And this one is actually very helpful on not just YouTube contents. Pwede mo rin siyang gamitin sa photography. And if you're into like cinematic videos and gusto mo na parang hinahabol ka ng pulis. So, meron siyang mode dito. Tingnan natin. Like this one. Yan. Kung makikita niyo yung kulay niya, it looks like a police light, diba? So, kung gagamitin mo siya in the background, it looks like this. Diba? So, usually, yung mga effects na ginagamit sa ilaw, kunyari, parang nasa loob ka ng living room and then, yung bintana sa labas, biglang may umiilaw na ganyan. It's usually this kind of lights. And this one is really helpful. Sobrang ganda ng mga ganitong ilaw kasi, you can also mount it on top of your camera and use it as a floodlight or a vlogging light. So, kailangan niya lang nito nung alam niyo yung connection para magkaroon siya ng shoe mount. And then, pwede mo na siyang ilagay sa ibabaw ng camera mo kung wala ka talagang proper lighting. And then, since it's very portable, sobrang nipis niya lang, I can compare to my phone. Yan. So, magkasing laki lang sila and halos magkasing nipis, no? Yan. So, it looks like a phone. Pwede mo siyang dalhin sa bulsa mo. Pwede mo siyang dalhin sa kung saan sa bag. Insert mo lang. If you need a spare light, kung hindi sapat or wala kang dalang softbox light. Or kung ayaw mo magdala ng softbox light, kasi merong mga videographers or photographers na usually ay ginagamit lang nila is yung ilaw mismo dun sa set. So, natural lighting. Ayun ang pinaka magandang lighting since unang-una, ang natural lighting is libre. Pero hindi anytime is accessible siya. So, paano kung gabi yung shoot mo? Paano mo mamimimik yung ilaw ng araw? So, dito, it has a few modes na pwede mong i-check. So, ang unang-una niya, once you turn it on, nakaset siya dito sa may adjustment ng Kelvin at saka ng brightness. So, you can turn the brightness up. Yan, you can turn the brightness up. You can also turn the brightness down by holding the plus and minus button. So, anyways, ang makikita nyong buttons is 4 buttons lang siya. And ang option niya is to turn on and then mode or change the mode and then minus and plus and then yung pinaka parang set button niya kasi katulad nito, it's currently set into the brightness mode. So pag pinindot mo yung set, malilipat siya dun sa may Kelvin or sa level ng ng white and yellows. So kung nakita nyo, from yellow naging white na siya. So pwede mo siyang gawing warm light or cold light. Tapos, it also has a built-in diffuser. So, meron siyang parang white panel dito sa may unahan, which is actually very nice since if you want to really use this for like on-the-go photography or on-the-go videography, it's really helpful. And if you want to use it as a backlight, which is the reason I bought this one, ginagamit ko talaga siya before sa mga streams ko. So, dahil kulang ako sa mga ilaw-ilaw sa paligid, wala pa kasi ako ng mga wall lights na pwede mong gamitin. I'm only using this as my backlight. Katulad na ito, it serves as a backlight kasi kung wala yan, sobrang plain ng video ko and hindi siya magandang tignan. So, usually, pwede mong gamitin yung mga source of light na yan as your backlights. So, pwede kong gamitin siya and I'll turn it to blue. Pwede mo siyang itago somewhere and magre-reflect siya sa walls and that's your backlight. So, pwede mong i-change yung modes niya. If you want to have a pink color Or I can also use it on my videos, lalo na sa mga ginagawa ko sa mga beauty shots ng products. Pwede mo siyang gamitin as like alam mo yung binibili sa Ambitful or yung ibang lighting, yung parang iilaw-ilaw mo. You can use this too. So, in the dark setup, katulad na ginawa ko dun sa may video sa Lensgo, ayan. Ito lang yung ginamit ko doon. So, I also use it as a backlight for my other videos para sa product, para magkaroon ng lighting dun sa gilid or sa likod. Pwede ko rin siyang gamitin on my face para meron siyang dramatic. Kung gusto nyo, you're into dramatic, katulad nung kay Sir Benji sa Vloggers Philippines, sa Vlog Idol Philippines. He used a red light and then it's so dark. So, titingnan natin. So, yan. You can use this if you want this dramatic effect. So, pwede siyang red, pwede siyang blue, pwede siyang pink, whatever color you want. So, ayun yung kagandahan niya. Again, this is not the only portable vlogging light you can buy, but this is the most affordable one na nakita ko dun sa One Gadget. So, I bought this again for around 1,100. And mostly yung iba is nagre-range ng 1,500 to 2,000 to 2,500, something like that. And isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito, bukod sa mga modes, pwede siyang gamitin as a two-way charging. So, kung i-charge mo siya, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin as a power bank. So, madaming beses ko nang nagamit to, not just a light, but as a power bank as well, as a power source. So, every time na magba-brown out dito, kasi dito sa may province, sobrang dalas mag-brown out. As in, talaga naman, every week, halos may time na nagba-brown out. So, sobrang laking bagay nito kasi nandito lang siya sa ibabaw ng PC ko. Every time na magba-brown out, then I just open it. And, voila! Sobrang liwanag niya, sin. It can light up the whole room kung isaset ko sa 100%. You can also use this as your main light, pero I won't recommend it kasi masyadong harsh yung ilaw niya. Hindi siya katulad nito na parang softbox. So if you really need to see it, ayan. So sobrang lakas niya. You can also use this, diba? Pero sobrang harsh nga ng ilaw niya. Kahit trinay ko na siyang i-adjust pero sobrang liwanag talaga niya. And hindi siya natural looking, kaya I'm just still using the old softbox that I bought from Lazada for around 600 to 700. Pero alam ko may sale ngayon sa Shopee, nasa around 500, and buy this on One Gadget. It's a really cool thing to have, kung wala ka mapaggastusan ng pera mo and you really need lightings, especially sa mga videos and contents mo. Isa ang lighting sa mga nagpapadagdag ng buhay sa mga videos or contents. So if you don't have proper lighting, if you're always on the go, I would recommend to buy a pocket light like this. So far again, pinakamurang vlogging light or pinakamurang portable light. Lastly, gusto ko lang din i-discuss yung battery life niya. So, you can see here sa may pinaka menu niya, meron siyang oras. So, makikita mo yung pinaka battery life niya depending sa percentage ng ilaw na ginagamit mo. So, the more natataas mo yung brightness, bumababa siya. So, currently nasa 14 hours siya, right? 15? O yan, 14.3 hours. So, pagka siya inopen ko and adjust muna natin yung Ayan. So, kung tataasan ko yung pinaka brightness niya, it also changes. So, from 14 hours, ilan na lang yung naging hours niya is 1.4 hours. So, 1 hour na lang itatagal niya on 100% brightness, which is very nice kasi makikita mo agad kung ilang oras na lang yung buhay nito and you have to charge it. I also recommend this one because sobrang tipid niya sa battery. Kasi pagka nagba-brown out nga, 1% or minsan ginagamit ko siya as a lamp, especially pagka sobrang dilim. Ginagamit ko siya as a lamp. Tapos, I only set it on 1% and it can last around 5 to 6 hours. So, kung full charge to, mga 6 hours yung itatagal ng battery niya on 1%. And it's already very, very strong. So, kung makikita nyo, kaya niya nang i-illuminate yung face ko. If papatayin ko tong ilaw, it's already more than enough para i-illuminate yung buong room. So, sobrang ganda niya talaga, as in. So, if you like this one, I recommend or I suggest you check out One Gadget. This is not a sponsored video, pero One Gadget, baka may gusto kayong ipa-review sa akin. Just send me a message or I'll send a message to you guys kung makikita nyo tong video na to. Anyway guys, yun lang. This is my short review for the Vidgem VL3 vlogging light, or this is what you call them. So, yun, kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to and sa tingin nyo maganda tong ilaw na to or maganda tong equipment na to, hit the like button. Anyway, meron tayong mga dadating na products from other brands. Magkakaroon tayo ng condenser microphone review, plus magkakaroon tayo ng isang singing mic review. That's actually very interesting kasi talagang inaantay ko din siya. It's gonna be a gift for my mom since sobrang hilig ng mom ko kumanta. Plus, meron tayong isang portable microphone, isang portable wireless microphone na Bluetooth powered siya. So, I would test it on my mobile phone and dito sa camera ko compatible. So, ayun yung mga susunod nating videos. Again, we're close to 7,000 subscribers and I really appreciate everyone na nag-like at nag-subscribe dito sa channel natin. If bago kang content creator, just comment down below para ma-subscribe ko din yung channel mo. Kahit isa lang tong subscribe na magagawa ko, what I can do is to support you all the way through hanggang sa makamonetize ka or kailangan mo talaga na engagement. A like and a comment is really helpful pagdating sa engagement na isang video. Kasi kung wala pong ganun, hindi po kakalat or hindi ka magkakaroon ng more views sa iyong mga content. So yun, tulungan na lang tayo guys. Kung bago ka lang, ngayon mo na ito nakita, comment down, I'll sub your channel, I'll watch your videos, I'll give you a like and a thumbs up, and I'll also ring the bell on your channel. Ayun, good luck everyone! Again, this is Luigi Versosa. Thank you for watching my video. Kita-kits tayo sa susunod na video ko.